Hey, it's 2 Minutes Tuesday, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to color grade any footage, whether it's raw footage, S-Log or flat profile footage, in just 2 minutes. So without further ado, let's get started.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Open Davinci Resolve and create a new project. In my own case, I already created a project, so I'm just going to open the existing project. And the next thing I want to do is to show you what we're going to be achieving. So this is the after we intend to achieve, and this is the before, which looks really flat. So select the color page, and the first thing we want to do is to work on the contrast. So we're going to increase the cane to make it brighter, and also reduce the lift, push it to the left. And if you notice to the right hand side the scope, you notice that the scope is stretching, and that shows that you're actually restoring details in the highlights and the shadow aspects of the footage. And the next thing I want to work on is the gamma. So I'm just going to increase the gamma a little bit until it gets to around 700, between 700 and 600, so which looks really good. Then I'm going to work on the saturation, so I'm going to change my saturation to 80. Okay, and also I'm going to work on my contrast. I'm going to increase the contrast, right, and then begin to increase the pivot to take down the excess, highlights, in order for me to be able to retain my highlight details, which is really nice. So with this, I've been able to achieve a little information. Then I'm going to create an S curve using my curve tool. Just gonna walk around this. So I'm just gonna create my S curve to also bring, more details back to life, which is really essential. Great. So let's see the before and now the after. And that's 2 Minutes Tuesday for today. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you do, you know what to do if you want to see more of this kind of videos. Till I come your way next week, stay healthy and stay positive. Bye for now.